Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to give you guys a natural beat. I'm about to go on a lunch date, so I decided to just record it. I'm going to give you guys a very natural look, but with a little bit of pop, a little bit of glam, a little bit of bronziness. It's about to be fall, so I feel like this look looks good with any season. In any season, fall, summer, winter, spring. Yeah, that's it. And as you guys already know, I only use drugstore makeup. I got everything from Walmart, I got everything from CVS, and I got everything else from the hair store. So if you guys want to see how I got this look, then go ahead and continue watching.
I buy a new car for the beat, for real. I tell them out.
So right now I'm going to use the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Face Primer in Matte. I'm going to apply that all over my face. Oh my god, so you guys, my face has been getting so much better. Like, I kept getting breakouts. You can see I have hyperpigmentation. But it is clearing up so well, and I'm not having really breakouts like that. I get the little tiny bump, but nothing serious, so that is a good thing. It's a good sign to let me know that whatever I'm doing is working. And whenever my skin clear up all the way, I'm gonna do a tutorial. I'm gonna do a video about it. So anybody that was struggling like me, because your girl is clearing the skin all the way up, sis. Okay, so after I do my primer, I'm going to apply the orange corrector. And as you guys can see, I straightened my hair. It is super long now, and I'm so happy about it. Okay, so I really have to be ready in like 30 minutes. So we're gonna try to do this pretty quick. Okay, so now that I've color corrected my face, now I'm going to do my brows. And I'm so simple with my brows. I used to use the e.l.f. Dip Brow, but now lately I've just been using a brow pencil by Nicka. Something super simple, it costs $1. It's the roll up kind. I don't like to use the pencil kind because first of all, I do not like sharpening them. So something skinny like this, it says auto eyeliner. It's actually an eyeliner, but I use it as a brow pencil. Okay, so next after I fill in my brows, I'm going to use this by LA Girls called Shady Slim Brow Pencil. I don't use like it has a two-sided. It has a part that rolls up and another part rolls up for a pencil and another part just like the brow brush. I'm just gonna use the brow brush because I noticed that the pencil was like way too light. You can barely see it. It's really no point. It's not creamy or anything, just more so like cakey. So I don't use it. So next I'm just going to use the LA Pro Conceal and Warm Honey, and I'm going to clean up my brows. Okay, so I did the bottom brow. So now I'm going to take a little bit more concealer and just drag that concealer all the way to my eyelids. Okay, so now that I dried the concealer all the way down, I am going to put my foundation on. The foundation that I'm using is, of course, the Maybelline Superstay 24-hour foundation. I use it in 334 and 356, and I combine it together. Y'all, this is my favorite foundation. Period. It's my favorite foundation, y'all. Real talk. Like, it's just, what's about this foundation? This foundation is just like, it's super full coverage, y'all. I love me some full coverage. And I love me full coverage more so because, you know, I have dark marks. So, I'm sorry, I'm mixing it up right here on my arm. But y'all, it's full coverage, and I love me some full coverage, y'all. I just really do. I used to use a brush, but now I use a sponge, and I just get better application like that. So I start on one half of the face, and then I blend it out, drag it down. When you have dark spots, a lot of times the dark spots peek through, but using a full coverage foundation ensures that it won't be peeking through. Now, if you still use it and you see after one layer that it's still kind of peeking through, then dab some more in. But this sponge helps you not look cake face, which is why I like it. Okay, so if you still see it peeking through a little bit, I like to just get my finger and get the foundation and pat it in like that. Okay, so after that, I like to lightly powder my face. Okay, once I do that, I'm gonna get this little concealer brush and go to the top of my eyebrows with the leftover foundation. Okay, so now I'm going to get my concealer, that Warm Honey, and I'm going to put it in my under eye. Okay, now I'm going to get that banana setting powder and set my under eye. I'm going to get the Black Radiance True Complexion Contour Powder. And I'm going to get like a fluffy angle brush. And I'm going to just go into the sculpt. I'm going to combine the sculpt with the contour. Now I'm going to use a fluffy eye brush, and I'm going to use that contour, a dark contour color, and I'm just going to go in my crease. Okay, so next I'm going to, I'm actually going to use some blush that I got from Nicka. It's a mineral blush. Okay, next I'm going to get a face fluffy brush, and I'm going to use the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder in medium deep. And I'm going to go add some more blush. Now I'm going to spray my face with the NYX Matte Finish Matte Setting Spray. Matte Finish Matte Finish Setting Spray. Line my lips. Now I'm going to use a clear gloss that I got from the hair supply store. Okay, so now I'm going to get like a pink gloss that I got from the hair supply store as well. Now I'm going to do a little highlight. The Magic Collection Glow Face Bronzer, and I'm going to bronze. Now I'm going to use the Ardell Lashes in Double Wispy. Now I'm going to just get some mascara and go on the top and the bottom. Okay guys, and I like to use my leftover residue on my eyebrows and make it a little bit more darker and fanned out. Okay, you know, I think I am done. your girl look cute or whatever. This is like my daily, I'm not gonna say my daily, but my everyday makeup look. I think it looks fly. As you can see, all my dark marks are covered. When I did all that with Drugstore makeup, so if you guys like what you seen, then go ahead and hit a thumbs up, and I will talk to you guys later because your girl is fashionably late, okay? They are going to kill me, all right? Well, talk to you guys later, and I love you guys so much, and I will talk to you guys again later. Bye, guys.